In this presentation, I introduce a dashboard that contains names of high schools in Malawi to be used as a guide to help those parents who are looking for schools or planning to send their child to a high school but are not sure where to find that high school, how much it costs, even other details. So in my sheet, I've included the number of high schools which are found in Malawi, their phone number, tuition fee, and location, so that parents can use it to find a school. So on my sheet here, I've highlighted these schools in yellow, and they have a minimum wage of 45,000. These are the schools that parents can afford to send their children to. And I've also included a 20%, and they are highlighted in green. As you can see here, these are the schools that has highest number of students, as you can see here. But these ones in yellow are schools which parents can afford to send their children to, since their tuition is not that much, they're cheap. So I've also included a conditional formatting to help me to perform all these formatting rules. And as you can see here, I've also included a dashboard, and on my dashboard there's this comment that I've included. This comment will help someone who is new to this sheet or Excel to navigate through the information. As you can see here, that when I select a school here, and these other details which are down here will be updating automatically, like the number of students, location, address, tuition, and code. Let's say I choose Bambino, you see that number updates itself. If I choose St. Mary's, you also see that the number will be updating automatically. So I've also included a data validation, and this data validation has a drop list, whereby when you select the name of the school, the other details will be updating. And I've also used a VLOOKUP function to look up the details based on the name of school. Here is what happened as I was demonstrating, that if you select the school, the other details will be updating. So that is also why I used a VLOOKUP function. And on my sheet, I've also included a number of counts, and here I've included a pivot table and pivot charts, which have been connected by a slicer here, so that I can be able to summarize the data much easier. For example, if I choose Balaka, you see that the details updates on under here. It is showing that in Balaka there's one high school. If I choose Brantaya here, the information updates, and that is telling us that in Brantaya there's 8 a number of high schools. And on my sheet, I've also included another sheet called number of students. And on this sheet, I've also included a pivot table and a slicer so that I can summarize my data. So here it has like a location. So if I choose Balaka, you see that it is also showing that in Balaka there's Likun Secondary School and it has this number of students, 3,700. If I select Zomba, it will also update and it's showing us that there's only one high school, St. Mary's, which has 4,800 students. So on this sheet, I've also used standard of professionalism to make my work look clean so that it can also be easier for another person to use it. Thank you for following up.